This video tutorial I will explain observes daylight time method of time zone class. Here I have defined the class time zone demo. Here I have created time zone object. Then I am calling observes daylight time method of time zone object. This method returns true if this time zone is in daylight saving time. If you see this time zone is in daylight saving time, so it returns true. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.